My name is Molly Bosworth. I study electrical engineering and I am a senior. In ES 100, which is the engineering capstone project class, I created a sensor to detect survivors that are trapped under rubble after an earthquake. So this particular board here uses radio frequency to detect movement from human skin. So that can penetrate through different materials and ideally detect a person below a few meters of rubble. So the great thing about doing this capstone project is it's entirely up to you what you create. So this particular project actually came from one of our corporate sponsors, Philips, and they came to us with this particular project of creating a unmanned autonomous vehicle with a sensor attachment. So this project that I was a part of, I was actually a part of a team. So there was a mechanical engineering side and then an electrical engineering side. So I was a part of the electrical engineering side. It's been really exciting because it means that it's pretty much up to us what we create. We get given a project description, what the client wants, but it's really up to us on how we go about solving that problem. So when we start, we look at big picture. What is the project going to look like? What problems are we trying to solve? How big is our scope going to be in the timeline, budget, things like that? And then over the course of about 9 months, we scope down, we start building prototypes, testing, validating our tests, modeling things, and then get to a final concept that we get to present. So probably one of the best takeaways from this class for me has been the people I've gotten to work with. We didn't know each other very well going into it, but by the end people were asking us how long we've been friends because we got on so well. And then with the mechanical engineering team, they've been amazing to work with. They've brought some really interesting ideas that as mechanical engineers we wouldn't have thought of as electrical engineers and vice versa.